friends, welcome to my new blog. I am Nisha from Florida. So friends, today I am going to do my truck wash. So I want to show you how much it costs here, the car wash or truck wash, and what is the procedure. Okay, so come and let's go to car wash. Before go to car wash, I have to pick my son. So I'm going to school to pick. Then we can go to car wash. This is a Wikiva High School where I come to pick my son. This is all Wikiva High School. So here we are at Sweetwater Car Wash at Wawa. So here we have to pay first. I think the $10 is the cost of the car wash. So friends, there we pay $8 for car wash, and now we are entering for the car wash. We have to put our truck to the neutral. ശരിയാണോ? Now we have to put the axle. Now we have to put our truck to neutral. They are cleaning outer side, and now the procedure is start of the car wash. I already put my truck to the neutral, and the truck is automatically going slowly. Here they put on the soap first, and the work is going on here. You can see. The brush clean the windows. Again one more soap wash. Now they are putting water to clean the soap, as you can see here. Our truck is still on neutral. Here is the cleaning is going on. Water cleaning is done. Oh, again the plain water they put, and now is the drying procedure. Both sides dry up. put on the drive and go here. So I put on drive and now we can go home. So now we done our car wash within 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now we are going home. So friends, this is the place where you can do free vacuum here, clean the car. Now we are going home and then after that I can show you how they clean the truck, okay? Look at this one guy is going on a scooter. Can show you close. Look at this. Okay. Look at this, how much they clean on car wash, as you can see here. So friends, I hope you like this vlog of car wash. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.